Today, we would like to introduce several types of mesh fabrics for making laundry bags. Polyester mesh fabric. It is highly wear-resistant, wrinkle-resistant, and shape-retaining, with a budget-friendly price. As the most commonly used material for laundry bags, it features good air permeability to reduce clothes tangling during washing.
Two strangers in the night, aligned. We speak without a single word. Something familiar.
Nylon mesh fabric, soft in texture and tougher than polyester. It boasts excellent wear resistance and elasticity, ideal for making laundry bags and gently protect high-grade garments. Note that it tends to encounter long-term exposure to sunlight.
We understand each other without a sound.
Polyester spandex blend mesh fabric, combining the durability of polyester and the elasticity of spandex. It has great stretchability, fits clothes of different sizes, and offers better wrapping performance.
We speak without a single word. Something familiar I've never heard. The music fades, but you remain clear. The silent language we're fluent.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.